Hello guys, welcome back to our channel here. Claude and Jessica living in the Philippines. I was left a comment on Tom and Ruth's channel on Adventures in the Philippines. It was nice to see his girls, as they call them, get here in America. Shout out to Tom and Ruth. It's good to connect to him after all of this time.
Moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m., 3 weeks later.
I got Rainbow Snake.
All right, awesome, son. My son's playing with the phone.
Snake Clash.
But anyways, we're here in southern Texas. We moved to Victoria County 3 years ago. But there's one Filipino store here. She calls it Teresa's Sari store. Shout out to them. Nothing bad. Just the prices are extremely high. We actually drive 30 minutes away to Port Lavaca to get lumpia wrappers. And there's a small community of Filipinos here. And if it's big, they must be hiding. My wife works in the hospital, so there's a few Filipino nurses in there she connected with a little bit. But nothing where you, we don't get any visitors or nothing like that. There's another family, but they're all about having a lot of rich stuff or whatever. I don't know, my wife's really not into how many bags she could buy or whatever. But besides that, so here it is 3 years later, and as a fellow American married to a Filipina, you want your wife to be happy. She is happy. She keeps to herself. We have some friends up by Sugarland. Charles and his wife, Cheryl. We've only been up there once. We communicate once in a while, but it's an hour and change away. Sugarland, that area, Houston. But when we're up there in Seafood City, you would think you had stepped off the plane to the Philippines, because everybody's from the Philippines or Asian countries. And even when you're in a parking lot or other places, you'll see more of an Asian population, Filipino population. There's Missouri town up there too. It's got a lot. This apartment we're in, we like it. It's kind of like a house, except for it flooded here when we had like a flash flooding here. And I can't have that. So our lease is up in November. We're going to go month to month because we've been here a year. And we're going to start taking trips up to Sugarland area. Just think 3 or 4 hospitals up there. I know Houston's got plenty. But we want to be on the outskirts of Houston. I don't want to be in no Badlands up there or nothing like that. But I would do this to make my wife happier, because when she's with a couple of friends, she's talking away beside her, and she's really happy. I could see that. Like, we're in the Philippines, they're yapping away. It doesn't affect me at all. But my wife's happy. Happy wife, happy life. They say you want your spouse, your asawa, to be happy. And as much as we're kind of sick of moving, but you do what you can. It's my son over here. Do what you can to provide and make your wife happy and your family safe and all those good things. So we're going to attempt to start looking up in that area. There's jobs up there. Where she's at now, another company's buying them out. She still has her job, but they could transfer her to hospital up there. So if that's the case and she gets offered, plus it's paying more. Like when I lived in Massachusetts, I lived in New Bedford, I worked in Boston, there's $4 or $5 more an hour than the local hospital. So that's why I drove and commuted to Boston. But even if we have to put our things slowly in the storage up that area, if she gets immediate offer, we're going to stay in one of those hotels we could live in for like a month or something, whatever, until we find a place. But that's just what we're talking about. We don't know that. Because Be nice if my wife had some other people to yap with, and more of an Asian community. I mean, there's a lot of, nice people around here, and even the food in the stores, that's my son's hand, is all geared towards, the Mexican population. And that's cool. I don't really eat that much Mexican food at all. It's wonderful and all, but I'm from the East Coast and I'm missing a lot of stuff that they have there. They don't have it out here in Texas. But anyways, guys, would you do that to keep your spouse happy? She is happy, but I want to see her be able to communicate with people from like her country and stuff. But anyways, guys, that's it. I haven't been doing much long content. Algorithm's been weird, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. Alright, guys, please hit the like button. I appreciate you. And if you do subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. This is Chloe and Jessica, living in the Philippines, as my wife says, currently in Texas. See ya!